Some say it is the vapour that rises from cooked grain. Others, the power behind our gentleness. But what is chi energy, and can you order it from Amazon or put it in a sandwich? How is it sensed or seen? The answers to these and more esoteric questions on today's episode of Talking Tai Chi with the Teapot Monk. Qi literally means the vapour that rises from cooked grain, and although the image is rather a pleasant one, the meaning remains a tad elusive. So what have others said on the subject of Qi energy? Well, most people simply define Qi as a sort of energy field, an all-inclusive concept that, well, includes everything and excludes pretty much nothing. Michael Page wrote that it is a Chinese word for a Chinese concept in which man is not a separate, distinct and uniquely powerful aspect of the cosmos, but is in reality an integral part of the total. I like that. Thanks, Mike. But still feel I don't have a working definition of Qi as opposed to, for example, Taoism, which could just as easily have been a definition for. Al Chuangling Huang, favourite author of mine, said it is not nervous tension and not phony mental wishing. I like that. It is subtle and powerful and circulates continuously in one mental, physical self. Acupuncture meridians show the path of this Qi energy, unquote. Well, thanks, Al, for that link with acupuncture, because that is something that most of us have some idea of. So that goes a little way to helping us, but I still feel, the rice vapour definition seems to me a pretty good one today. What about other disciplines then? Is it seen differently in different practices? Well, Al mentioned acupuncture, where Qi is seen as a vital force that must be kept in balance and allowed an unimpeded circulation in the body for good health. Sound familiar? I think we are moving, like Qi itself, around in a lot of circles. What do I say it is? Well, I once wrote that Qi in Tai Chi is the driving force of our strength, the power behind our gentleness, and the presence behind our stillness.
Bravo!
I like that. In fact, I'm quite proud of that description. But I'm still not sure it's any better than the vapour rice one.
Uh-oh.
So I'm going to draw another analogy. If we see Tai Chi as a system of communication, something I'm prone to do, that uses our body, our breath, and our mind to understand, interpret, and build a dialogue with everything around us and everything that we do, then Qi is the vocabulary of that language. What do you think? Yeah, I know. Vaporous. I understand that this may appear vague, but how do we explain a Chinese concept in another language and another culture and in another time period? Let me give you an example of the difficulties of explaining cultural differences with language. I'm often at loss as to explain what gazpacho tastes like to English-speaking visitors in my country. I could say it's a cold, tomatoey, garlicky, soupy thing. I could list the ingredients, the colours, or the preparations and instructions for making it. But this isn't it. I could show you a photo of a glass or bowl of gazpacho, and I might just add one to the show notes, so do take a look. But none of this, I believe, would help you understand the taste, the experience of gazpacho. For that, you would need to be sitting in the dappled shade of an old eucalyptus tree in midsummer, when the afternoon heat dictates that nothing stirs other than a carpenter bee or a lost tourist. When the mating call of the cicada drowns out even your incessant monkey chatter, leaving your body-mind to relish the taste and soul-reviving elixir as it slides down your parched throat. Liquid gold, it is known in the south of Spain. In short, it's an experiential. And books don't really help. Words get in the way. But it doesn't stop us exploring. We can still go looking for that experience. So next week, we will continue our explorative journey when we look at Chi Energy Part 2 on Talking Tai Chi with the Teapot Monk. Looking to discover what Tai Chi can do for you, or curious and would like to know a little more? Well, just come over to 21stcenturytaichi.com. Look for the link in the show notes. There's short introductory courses, breathing, health, Tai Chi form, sword, philosophy applications and more, plus books, PDFs and great videos and even music. Got a question? Track me down on social media as the Teapot Monk. Thanks for listening.